Oh man, look how sexy this is. What? Oh yeah. Work it, girl. All right, what's up everybody? I'm sitting here on my riding lawnmower. I've never had one of these before. This is a John Deere X300 and I'm pretty pumped. We just moved into a new property and we bought this from the previous owners. So I'm gonna be a riding lawnmower guy now. I'm excited about that. So we're gonna get this thing booted up. It's pretty simple. John Deere seems to make a nice big orange buttons. They're generally obvious. There's arrows printed on the thing. We've got our deck here with the blade underneath it. I'm gonna probably have to do some maintenance on this thing, give it an oil change, sharpen the blades, and whatever else comes with owning a rideable lawnmower. All right, baby, so we're gonna put the key in here and we're gonna start it up. You won't be able to hear me after I start it up, so let's put the choke, maybe the throttle, maybe like that, choke up. I'm gonna have to use two hands here. But we got parking brake, we've got the brake itself, forward, reverse, and this, I believe, is the deck control. Do you like my socks, by the way? I'm like anti-tick. We got some brush to go over that tall grass. Ticks love that stuff. So this is the deck setting. You gotta push that in, and then you can turn this. That's kind of cool. Oh yeah, I should probably check to see if there's gas in it. Where the heck is the gas tank? Oh, look at that. Hey, it's right there. How do you know if it's full? It smells like gas. All right, let's get this thing fired up here. Oh yeah. This is awesome. I'm barely exerting myself. Should probably be getting some steps in, but I'm having too much fun. All right, let's open her up a little bit. Full speed, baby. Move forward. Woohoo! Oh, look out! All right, I am all done. That was pretty cool. First impressions, only impressions. It doesn't have a lot of power going up and down inclines. In fact, I got myself stuck just a little bit. And I had to get my wife to come out and push. I was kind of like, it wasn't super steep, but like kind of like that. It turns pretty well. The turning radius is not zero turn, but it cuts corners pretty quickly. So very impressed there. Let's get down and look at the grass. You can see my blade probably needs sharpening because we've got some stragglers here, and maybe I didn't hit it just right, but it seemed like it cut. Obviously it's doing its job, but it probably needs to be, the blade needs to be sharpened. And I couldn't get super close to the flower, to that area, so I'll have to come through there with a weed eater and a trimmer and knock that down. But yeah, for the most part, I like it. I gotta come up with a good name for this. If you have any name suggestions, let me know.